What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, I know it's been a minute, y'all, but it's been so long that I went to get on my bike, crank old Blue up, and of course, old Blue said, hell no, you ain't been wanting to ride me. Well, it's not that I ain't been wanting to. You haven't ridden me, I ain't starting up for you. So damn it, he was dead. I had to jump him off with my little jump box, man, and I gotta go run some errands, so I'm hoping that he cranks back up for me, because I'm not going very far, so we'll see what happens. So I'm already aggravated because I hate being hot. It was hot as hell in my garage. I was sweating my ass off. You know what? I was sweating everywhere. You know where? Right here.
I'm sweating. Where at? On my butt crack and my balls and really? Everywhere.
Oh, butt crack in your balls.
Anyway, that's where I was sweating at, y'all. And it was hot, man. So I was already hot before I even got started. And to be honest, kinfolk, the reason why I haven't been out riding old Blue is because it's too damn hot. I can't stand being hot, man. I get aggravated when I get hot, and that's why I ain't been on old Blue, man. It's been triple digits every damn day here in Houston, man. And it's bad whenever you wake up in the morning it's bad when you wake up in the morning, man, and it's already 90 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's ridiculous. So that's the reason why I haven't been riding, man. That's why I haven't made a video and I think it's been like 3 weeks, man. So I apologize for that. But the reason I'm making this video, kinfolk, is I got nominated to do the 3x3 challenge. So I will be doing the 3x3 challenge. I got nominated by my kinfolk, a couple of them actually, man. The Alpha Core, and then also I got nominated by Skid Pig. So if you haven't checked out their channels, make sure y'all go check them out. I'll leave the links to their channels down below, man. They're awesome guys. Alpha Core is from Minnesota. Skid Pig is from Australia, and so they got some great content, man. Go make sure you go check them out. So the 3x3 challenge, kinfolk, is you tell 3 things about yourself, and then you nominate 3 people to do the same. So let's start off with doing the 3 things that you may not know about your boy Knuckles TV. The first thing, I know I talk about my son a lot, man. He's always with me most of the time. My son actually lives with me, but I also have a daughter, if y'all did not know. She's been in a couple videos, but not many. But I also got a daughter, man. She is 21 years old, and of course she lives out on her own and all that stuff. So I have 2 kids, so my son and then my daughter. My son's 19 and my daughter's 21, man. So there you go. There's the first thing. Second thing, kinfolk, is I was actually born on my dad's birthday. That's right. Me and my dad have the same birthday. And so it's really cool, man, because we used to do, for our birthday, we used to, myself and my brother used to go fishing every year for me and my dad's birthday, and it was amazing, man. It was great times, great memories, and I really enjoyed every single minute that we got to spend with my dad. So fishing, it was awesome times, man, awesome times. Of course, once you get a little older, man, I think once I got around, I don't know, 16, 17, I got a job, had to start working weekends and all that stuff, man. So it kind of faded away, but we do it every now and then. Try to get out and go fishing for our birthday again. But anyway, so that's the second thing. First thing, again, I got 2 kids. I've got a daughter that's 21, I got a son that's 19, and then of course y'all know Bubba. And then also I've got me and my dad's birthday are on the same day, so that's cool. The third thing, Okay, the third thing about myself is I did not go to college. I graduated high school, and by that time I was already, well, right after high school, I was thinking about going into the military, but I was already with my kid's mama, and so she was already pregnant with my daughter. She wasn't pregnant with my daughter when I was 18 or when I graduated. She actually got pregnant when, well, hell, I think I was 19, I guess. Shit. So I guess it was right around then, or 20. I think it was right when I was 20, and so, oh shit, I could go. My bad. So anyway, I was thinking about going to the military, and I did not want to leave because my daughter was about to be born, and I did not want to miss that. I would have been gone to boot camp if I would have done that. So I did not want to miss that, man. So I did not go, and I kind of regret it. But again, I'm glad I was there for when my daughter was born and everything, man. So anyway, after that, of course, got a family, have to take care of the family. So I just continued to work, and I didn't go to college, man. So that was it. So that's the three things you may not have known about me. I have 2 kids. My daughter's 21, my son is 19. I have the same birthday as my dad, and then I did not go to college out of high school. So the 3 people I'm gonna nominate, man, to do this 3x3 challenge is my boy SL636. I know I'm pretty sure he's pretty busy, man, with school and working and everything, but I'm gonna nominate SL636 because he hasn't done a video in a while, man, and I wanna see him get out and do another video. So I'm pretty sure he's still riding. As a matter of fact, I've seen pictures on Instagram he's riding, but I guess he just hasn't done no videos. So SL636, I nominate you to do the 3x3 challenge, brother, along with 209 Moto. 209 Moto, I'm not sure if you've done it already. I don't think you have. I don't think you've been nominated. Excuse me. So I nominate you, 209 Moto, to do the 3x3 challenge, brother. One more person. Let's do Theo freaking Door. I believe Theo will do it, man. Theo's a good guy. Even though he's up there in subs, way up there in subs, he does not have that mentality, man. So Theo, I nominate you to do the 3x3 challenge, brother. So there we go. 209 Moto, Theo freaking Door, and SL636. That's my 3. So anyway, all right, kinfolk. Well, I appreciate it, man. Thank y'all for watching. And as y'all can tell, I've got some new stickers on here. I got my Moto Carry, my Bubba Tex. So make sure y'all go check them out as well. And I've got a bunch of others on the front, man. Go check out my Natty Nights that's done once a month. Go look for those videos if you want to see the kind of stuff that I've got. If you want to send me anything, my P.O. box is down below, man. And along with my Instagram information and everything. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, check me out there, and hit that little notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. And until next time, kinfolk, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.